Oh, okay, we're recording. Okay, so who am I? I'm Christina Byler. I am a wife and a mom of 4 beautiful kids with one on the way. I love to learn, and I've learned that I really like to teach in the title room. I'm a title room teacher. I've only done it for a year. I don't have a license yet, so I'm working on with an emergency sub-license to do that. I am in the I don't know how to make this. Oh, there. Sorry, this is my first time using this. I am in the Masters of Education. I'm trying to get a degree in the Masters of Education in Elementary Ed right now. And what I would really like to take away from this course is how to better plan in the title room for me and the aide that I have, and also for the MTSS groups that we do there. So that's me, and look forward to getting to know you.